In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a frequently bought together section in Wix. This is a great feature to enhance your users' shopping experience by suggesting additional items that complement what they're already purchasing. By doing this, you not only increase sales, but also make it easier for your customers to discover related products. Let's get started. First things first, go to the Wix website. If you haven't already, log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the website where you want to add the frequently bought together section. Take a moment to choose the correct site from your dashboard if you manage multiple websites. Now that you're on your website's editor page, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice various tools and features that Wix offers. What we're interested in right now is the Add Apps option. This is your gateway to enhancing your site's functionality, so go ahead and click on it. When you click Add Apps, you're presented with a search bar at the top. This is where you'll want to type in frequently bought together or something similar. After you've typed that in, hit enter, and you should see a variety of results. Scroll through until you find the app that best suits your needs, and click on it to learn more. Once you've decided on the app, you'll see an Add to Site button. Click on this, and a pop-up will appear. This pop-up will have an Agree and Add button, which you'll need to click to proceed with the installation. It's a good idea to read through the terms and conditions if they're provided, just to ensure you're comfortable with how the app will interact with your website. After clicking Agree and Add, the app will begin processing, integrating itself into your website. This might take a few moments, so be patient while Wix handles the back-end setup for you. Once this is completed, you'll find that the frequently bought together section has been successfully added to your website. And there you have it. Your website is now equipped with a frequently bought together section, making it more engaging and possibly increasing sales by encouraging your visitors to explore additional products. Always take some time to customize this section according to your product lineup so that it offers the best recommendations according to your data or preferences. If you have any more questions about Wix or other web design elements, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more web improving tips and tricks.